Hey, hi, good morning. This is Reddy and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about Python dictionaries. So it is a one of data type present in the core data types of a Python. So let's move into the video. Dictionary, what is exactly the dictionary means? A dictionary is it is a data structure that is used to store and retrieve the data in the form of key value values. So in dictionary, we have keys and values pair format where each and every key have each and every value. So let me give the brief how to create an empty dictionary. So to create an empty dictionary, we simply mention that empty curly brackets. So by using the curly brackets and each and every key value is separated by the comma, it is known as we define as a dictionary. So here the one more example like students equals to here the name Reddy, age 25, grade A. So here the data is in the form of key value. So whereas the name is a key, we have assigned the name as a value. We have assigned the name. So for example, if we go for any restaurant in the billing system, when they press the mission 1, we get an idli. When they press the 2, we get an dosa. Like that, the formats of present, right? So like that is this in this form of what we like. The keyword value is a form of in the that mission is contained. Okay, like that we use the dictionary format. So to print in the dictionary, if you want to access any elements from the dictionary, we need to give the key values on. So for example, here student equals to student equals to, I used to create a name equals to Sai, age equals to 65, grade equals to A, and the mixed dictionary is these things. So if you want to access any elements, we need to pass the name like a key. We need to pass the key. Print student key. If you pass the key, it will access the key which is present, assign the values as a name. So see, you get an output as a name, right? So if you pass that like a grades, what are the grades having present for the student, it will also show like this. If you want to access anything like by using only the key, we can access the values from the dictionary. So if you want to change or if you want to modify any type of things, same like using a key, we can able to modify the things and update the things. Okay, same dictionary and taking like student equals to name, Sai, age 65, grade equals to A. By mistakenly, I have entered the age of a student is 65, but it's not true, right? So the age of a student not be a 65. He was still in studying in BTech or degree. So we need to update. We need to modify this error mistake. So student where that the error is present in age and passing the age, updating the 26, right? I am updating the 26 here. So that means the 65 age is replaced to the 26. Okay, so we have modified. If you want to add any new columns for the students, if you want to add any new columns, we can add the new data entry like student gender. Initially we don't have any gender. We can access the gender and we can also create a qualification, right? So here the gender is female and qualification is BTech. I enter the data. So see, I have run here. The first we need to check the modification. Yeah, it is modified. The data is modified what initially we have kept, and I have again added two columns like two dictionary keys here, gender and as well as the qualification. Here the data. Okay, if you print the data is also same, we get that student, we have like name, age, grade, gender and qualifications what we have entered the previously. Okay, this is the things how to access and how to add the elements into the data like creating the dictionary. So after that we have some methods on dictionaries like same like a list, a tuple and string, like same like that we have methods in dictionary also. The first one is get. Here the get method is used to return the values for a specific key. It shows the result for the specific key. If the key is present, it will show the value. If his key is not present, we can specify not specify or the not no value is present, like that. If you specify, it will show the things. Let me give the example here. So here the G equals to student dot get grade. I am asking to get the grade of a student. It will be show the output as A. So the student grade is A, right? Yeah. After that gender equals to print like print not a print like student dot get gender. If a gender is presented, show the gender. If you not represented, not specified, show the not specified. Okay, after that h equals to student dot get location. So if the location is present, it will be give the output as a location. If the location is not present, no value is presented. Okay, let me execute this. So I didn't get any errors. Let me print the values. G, gender, H, C. I have a gender, like I have a grade value, right? Grade is a A, I get an output. Same the value of gender, I get a female. But I don't have any values in the location, right? So it shows me like no value is presented. Like that, the get method is works. If the value is present, it will be retry the things. If the value is not present, we can't able to, like we can specify, not specify, or no values, no inputs here, any type of things. What we have mentioned, that will be getting our output. Next, from the dictionary, like for example, if you create 1,000 values and key value pair dictionary, so in that, if you want only the keys, not remaining things, only the keys, so you can use this method, keys. Keys equals to, keys is a variable, keys equals to student dot keys. It means it will print all the keys which are present in a students. See, these are the keys, right? Here, name, age, grade, gender, qualification. These are the keys present in our student dictionary, right? That will be show the output like this. Then now, if you want to get only the values, not the keys or anything, only the values, if you like only the values, use this function. Return the values of all the values, like values equals to student dot values, print the values. Only the values will be like this. But if you want to both key value pair, you need to use the items. This item represented the both key value values. So items equals to student dot items. It will shows the items complete dictionary presented elements and keys and values present in the dictionary. It will show each and everything, right? Like that we will see what are the items are present in a dictionary, like this. Okay, and fifth function we have a like a pop. Here the pop, like simply it is remove the element as a specific key. When we need to mention that specific key, after that only it will remove the things. So for example, I take a mixed dictionary, name equals to 1C, age equals to 30, and grade equals to 85, 90, 92. So I need to remove the age, pop the age. Age equals to mixed dictionary dot pop the age. So age is the 30, right? I will pop the age by using a key. So the age is popped, and I am going to print the data. So see, I am going to print the age is missing, right? The age is not missing because we don't have any pop data, right? We have popped the age. That's why we missing. So what happened if you not passing any key into the pop? So it will show an error that is at least one argument need to be passed. Okay, that's why we pass one argument, means here the key. That's why we pass the key. Okay, if you use this things like pop items, if you use this pop item, it will remove the last element from your dictionary. It will remove the last element from your dictionary. Okay, now I am going to print the students. This is a student grade and things. So last element is here the grade. So I am going to pop the item. The grade is gone, right? The grade is gone. It's a pop the element, like it means simply it's remove the element of a grade, right? It's simply remove the element of a grade. So next method we are going to update. So that means if you want to update the new values, multiple values. So here the first one, see first one like a student equals to name ready is the 25. Let me update into like I will keep 30, and grade equals to A. Okay, and new data, this is my old data, and I need to upgrade multiple values. New data equals to age is 27, grade is A plus. Student dot update new data, student dot update new data, and this is the data is updated. See, the data age is converted into 75 when you compare to before. Before we have a 30, right? Before we have a 30. Now we are getting the 175. Before the grade is A. Now I am getting the A plus. Like that we can update the things present in a dictionary. Like these are the 7 most important methods in the dictionary. We have a lot of methods in the dictionary if you go for the Google and search somewhere. And I will also use a like my medium like eternal tech medium page also. You can follow that page and you will find all the interview questions based on the data science, data analyst, Power BI, and full stack, Java, everything. We are providing the each and every interview questions there, and with the some of the coding questions also. Try to follow that page, and that will help you for you. Okay, I hope you are all understand this video, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Bye.